Are you thinking about jumping into a new home in 2022? Then check out some New Year's resolutions that will help you stay on the right path and improve your home buying luck. I'm Amanda Wollicott with the Blue Coast team and EXP Realty of Canada, and I'm here to bring you 6 New Year's resolutions for home buyers. Your first New Year's resolution is to avoid big purchases. Taking on a large amount of debts from vacations or vehicles is a great way to sabotage your ability to buy a home. Avoid making large purchases that cut into your savings for a down payment and put you into debt. Think about your debt to income ratio, how much you earn versus how much you spend, as it is a major impact on how much money the financial institution will loan you. Second, in the new year, you'll want to tackle your debts. Try and pay down as much debt as possible and try and keep your interest rates low. The more financially fit you are, the better you'll qualify for a home loan. Don't be fooled into taking credit cards or store credit lines that charge extremely high interest rates. This won't help your case at all. There are many philosophies for ridding yourself of debt, but the fact is, you will need to take action. Third, work towards establishing a great credit history. If you don't pay your debts off on time, like credit cards, student loans, or phone bills, then the lender is going to question your ability to pay off your mortgage. Your credit history could show that you are a responsible borrower if you pay your debts back on time. But they could also show that you are a risk if you have too many credit cards, too much credit debt, and missed payments. Home buyers should aim to improve their credit scores. The credit scores is the currency of trust and reliability for lenders. When your credit score is low, the lender will not be willing to lend as much as if it were high, and it will impact your interest rates. Since mortgages are so large, even a few percent points difference could translate to extra thousands of dollars out of your wallet over the loan's lifespan. Fourth, limit job hopping. Remember, the lender's main concern is to recoup the loan they gave you. Having steady employment with fewer gaps over the past few years puts the mind of the lenders more at ease. Lenders may look at how many jobs you've had over the period of time and may see constant job hopping as a big red flag. Steady work gives a much better forecast of the income future, meaning less risk for the financial lender. Moving from an hourly job to a salary job with equal or more compensation may help your application. Fifth, cut down on excess spending. Don't get dinged for high credit card use. Using the credit card too much can have a negative effect, even if the card gets paid off every month. The reason is that your credit card utilization ratio is a big factor in calculating your credit score. This number is calculated by dividing your total credit card balances by the total credit limit. Try to keep this number below 30% to maintain a good credit score. Find places where you might be mindlessly spending. Online banking apps can be extremely helpful by letting you view your spending habits and breaking them down into categories. 6, you should aim to save more. This is a resolution that everyone can get behind. Start small by setting aside a small amount like $50 a week. You may be surprised how quickly your savings grows. If you've already been contributing to your RRSPs and are a first-time homebuyer, individuals can use up to $35,000 of their RRSPs to help finance your down payment on a home, while couples can use up to $70,000. You could also automate savings to a specific saving account or regularly make contributions to a tax-free savings account. And if you haven't spoken with a financial investment company, financial planner, or portfolio manager, you will be missing out on the growth and compound interest that you simply don't get with banks. In order to save the most though, you will definitely want to set a budget, which forces you to live within your means, while also setting goals for a specific amount you wish to save. That was 6 New Year's resolutions for home buyers. Thank you for watching. It's time to come home to the Blue Coast.